everyone, so I just did a review of the Samsung washer and dryers, so let's take a peek. So this one actually works. So you press the power button to turn it on, and then you pick your cycle. We got heavy duty, colors, darks, sanitized, allergen, permanent press,
activewear, and deep steam.
And
Normal.
Niagara wash, waterproof, bedding, quick wash, delicates, spin.
Yes, and then you have the rinse and spin. How are we gonna do a spin cycle? We'll do normal.
And then you hit start. You see how this red light came on. So right now the door is locked.
Yes, it is.
And the drum is about to get ready for spin.
Now we're going to turn it off. And look how cool it is down here. Press that power button to turn it all on. Now how do you, so these, it's almost the same thing. You have heavy duty, super speed, bedding, delicates, waterproof. Then you have rinse and spin, quick wash, activewear, perm press, and normal. Jacob, would you like to demonstrate for us?
You use like the temperature, the spin speed, the soil level, and you hit play.
Now you
And the
can't.
door is not locked.
Door is locked? No, it's not. So now we're going to turn it off. Like I said, the
LG twin wash system. The main washer.
cycles: sportswear, perm press, delicates, towels, speed wash, rinse and spin, downloaded, tub clean, bright whites, allergen, sanitary, bedding, heavy duty, and normal. The bottom one has
Yep, and you choose a cycle, and then don't forget to start pause button.
back with our last washing machine, which is the
LG front controlled top load washer. So you definitely turn it on, and you pick your cycle by pressing the cycle button, cycle 1 or cycle 2.
so there is
Normal, heavy duty, bulky, bright white, oxy sanitized, tub clean.
perm press, towels, power cleanse, speed wash, wool, and delicates. So we are going to do delicates. Let's begin.
We hit start, right?